Good morning, Albert, Wilfred and track fans everywhere. How are you doing? Welcome to this edition of the Track Fans episode 105. That's it. You can see the track on the background here. There it is. And if we zoom in on the inspiration, that was the track that we have made. Okay. So let's see if it looks like it. There you go. Okay. What we did say last episode is that we're going to try and maximise the space we've got. This design gives you about a quarter of this table. We want a bit more than that. So anyway, so what we got, track 105. We've established I'm down here because it's way early. Who else gets up way early and drives in the cold, dark and wet? Have a think about that. We'll see you trackside in a bit, track fans. See you later, Albert. Ta-da, Wilfred. Come and let's get it, track fans. Hey Albert, Wilfred and track fans, how are you all doing this morning? It's Sunday morning, it's dark, it's cold, it's wet. You know this because I've just told you on the intro. What I did say though was I was down here early and I didn't say why. I forgot about that because it took a couple of takes. I'm here early because I got up at 6:30 on Sunday morning to chill out and I fast realised it's 5:30. Happy Halloween everyone! So what we got on trackside today, excitingly, we've got the Castrol racing truck from Scalextric. And on this episode, I did ask, who drives in the cold, wet, dark mornings? Well, here it is, truck driver. And driving this truck is Ray Peterson. He's my best mate from the army. We've got to love the army, boys. Up for the army and the military. They are keeping us safe. Those boys in green and black, they are the best. Everyone, take a moment over Remembrance Day to stop, shake their hands and say hello. They are the boys that are keeping us safe, and girls. So anyway, Castrol racing truck on the track today. We are going to do an old school film where we go round with just the phone because I want to do a quick episode. The den is let's talk about it while we're driving. What are we doing? We're not even driving. Let's go, let's drive. No, yes, he's away. The Castrol truck knows what he's doing and we're going to race around that far corner. Anyway, what I was saying is the den is going to go through a little bit of a refurbishment in the next week or two. Oh, come on. He's derailed. Brilliant. There he goes. There goes Castrol. He has derailed again. The Castrol is not having it. No, he's back on. He's back on. What am I talking about? It was me on the trigger. Albert, Wilfred, how are you doing? It was lovely to see you on Tuesday, guys. Everyone. Whoa, we've got a crash. We got a barrier. Oh my God, let's fix the barrier. The crash is there. He's not done the water, but the Aston Martin is unscathed. The Mercedes AMG has not touched the structure of the Albert garage. But we'll put it back on the track. Get it back on the track. There you go. Truck driver, Ray, are you ready? Ray. All right then, Ray. In your own time, mate. Truck drivers, they're never fast. They take up the motorway. Oh no! They take up the motorway. Hang on. But if it wasn't for trucks, if it wasn't for Ray in his trucking machine here, we would have no vehicles, no slot cars to race, no Scalextrics to look at, the detail. We would have not a great deal without truck drivers, people. He's derailed here. I think this bit is too much of an incline for the truck. But Ray, he knows what he's talking about because Ray has driven in snow, ice, Sahara Desert, France. France is its own entity. Sorry, French people out there. We love you. We do. I can't even remember to say how I love you. J'adore-vous. There you go. See, I took French and German in school, guys. I don't remember much of it, but I know enough to get out of a scrape, which is I'll buy a beer, or I love you, or run away. So, oh, he derailed again. Let's do this. Let's bring the truck round for the last lap. Now, the reason that I only want to do a quick episode on this one, oh, it's took the barrier out. My good Lord, look, it's took the barrier out. The truck is aggressive, right? Just get round. Just get round to the end, please. Please, Ray. What are you doing? Where's the noodle? Okay. There you go. Right, last lap. Last lap. For the Ray. Let's race it round there. Racing truck. Here we go. It's drifting. Yeah, one last lap because the race is brilliant. Let's get in there. And then this will be the end of this episode. There you go. Ray. Oh, Ray. Oh, Ray. No brakes. Oh, no. The journos are falling over. Everything is collapsing. It's cold. It's wet. It's dark. It's Halloween. The truck raced past the finish line. Utter rookie. Utter rookie, Raymond. Anyway, guys, Albert, Wilfred, track fans, it was a quick episode because we are rearranging how the den works in the next week or two. Have a wonderful day. Have a great trick or treat tonight, everyone. If you're going out to get some sweets, it's the best time to get free candy, honestly. And stay safe out there and don't go out unless you've got company or an adult. And I'll see you soon, everyone. Take care. Albert, track fan, number one. There he is. He's on the case. No car is safe. None whatsoever. None whatsoever. Oi! The truck is off. Did you see the truck go? The truck went. The truck went. My good Lord. It is all going on now. He's holding in there. Then barriers. Oh, the Civic is down. And here we go. The BMW 1996 model mobile sponsorship is on. Oh, now we have traction. We have traction. Here it comes. Boom! In the back of the end. There it is. Ryan, we'll see you there, Albert. Surprise visit to the track fans den. There we go. Utter carnage. And we love it. Let's have a quick zoom in on that one. Oh my God, we've got mobile. We've got it all going on. We've got the MG, we've got the Bentley, we've got the BMW. It's been mounted by the Escort Mark II. Oh, the Mark II is gone. The BMW is gone. My word, this is kicking off in here today. And we've got the Passat. We've got something. The BMW is going. Everything is going here. My word. Absolute insanity. It's just a mash-up of cars in there. I think the truck is going. The truck is going, everyone. Albert, where's the truck? It's going is where it's going. Okay, I can't take it anymore. I can't take this excitement. Hang on. Yes, there it is. It is a pile-on. No, the BMW's gone. The truck is holding on. Here we are. Oh no, it's all gone wrong now. Massive pile-up. Albert, what do you think about this?
This is a hit!
Yes, it is. Live from the track fans den, the man, the myth, the legend, Albert is here. That is not going to work. It's not a Scalextric's car, but he's going to try it anyway. What have we got going on? Yes, we've got the Aston Martin at the back, but little does Albert know it has no tyres on it. You need another car. That's it. All right, Albert, step back, and we're out of here, track fans. Nice one.